Getting ready for the open of the next bar. Bought the CL. +5. Notice the momentum. Notice this bar. This is the down thrust bar that I always talk about, that you see in our videos, that you see uh, that I talk about in webinars. See this, the size of these bars? This is a down thrust bar too, and look what happened. And then price goes, and now we're getting a stronger push. We get this big down thrust bar. It gets oversold. We get a pullback alert and a speed tick on it. So I had all of this information to keep my eyes on this, to see if at the open of the next bar, see, this got my attention, okay? And all I needed to do was wait for the open of the next bar, see if I had a RockStar, and put my trade on.